Hey, Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. In this channel, we talk all about irrigation installation and irrigation repair. So if you're a licensed irrigator looking for some extra tips on how to do your job, hit that subscribe button. Or if you're a homeowner just looking how to fix your own stuff, follow us too, hit that subscribe button, watch our stuff. We're here to try to help you out. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an example of the wrong nozzle. I'm going to show you why it's a wrong nozzle, why this is not a good situation. And I'm also going to show you in this case, which nozzle is going to work better here. Let me show you something. So we've got this side yard area here, and it is not very wide. I'm saying it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 feet wide. Now I've got this head here, and I look down here, and this is a Rainbird 1800 spray head, and it's got a 10 van nozzle on it. Now I want to ask you guys a question. 4 feet wide right here. You think it's a good idea to put a nozzle that's going to spray 10 feet? Well, obviously the answer is not a good nozzle to put on here. And that's most likely why this area actually died out, is because the wrong nozzle was there on the end. So when you have a nozzle that's really too big for the area, there's a couple things that are going to happen. One is it's going to be blasting the house right here, which is not good for the brick and mortar. It's also going to be blasting the fence, which is not good for the fence. And really it could be actually using more water than is supposed to be used in this case. Having the wrong nozzle in your irrigation system in these areas like this, you've got the potential of your grass dying, your landscape dying, and wasting water, just all kinds of bad things. So it's very important to pick the right nozzle so it'll water the area better, but also not ruin the things around it. So we're gonna change this out. So I'm gonna use my Rainbird spray head tool here. I'm gonna raise that up. Whoop, it's stuck anyway. I'll show you this nozzle. It's actually a he-van. Those little lines right there tells me that's a he-van, which I like this nozzle. It's just not good for right here. I'll go ahead and replace that filter too. Put a new filter in. This is the one that comes with this nozzle. Now this one, it is a 15 EST. This is an end strip nozzle. Go ahead and screw that back on there. And be careful not to cross thread it. And then the adjustment on it is these lines right here. That's where it's going to be spraying. So I want it to be spraying straight out this way. Now this particular nozzle is going to go 2 feet this way, 2 feet that way, and it's going to go 15 feet this way. So it's going to spray this little area here, not hit the fence, not hit the house, but it's going to shoot down far enough, and actually the next head's way down there anyway. So this is the right nozzle for this area. An easy way to figure out which nozzle to put in is just step the area off. See how wide it is, and then find the next head and step it off. This area was 4.5 feet wide, and it was about 15 feet to the next head. So this end strip is going to be perfect to water this area. Now if you're not exactly sure what nozzles are out there, you can look these up. Go to rainbird.com and you can find all the different types of nozzles that they have, and then you can find one that's going to fit the area that you need.